Let me tell you something real fast. We get this paper real fast, throw it in the stash, and then we out the back and hopping in the coupe. Fishtailing, doing donuts, cause that's what we do. Real G's moving silence like sharks do. And y'all just a bunch of chum, shark food. And I'ma tear this mic up. 1, 2. Now I think it's time for me to pass it on through.
I'm a young spitter, flow so bitter. Done looking for old news, cause I done did her. Ass so fat, jeans don't even fit her. Shorty calling me hubby, but I ain't even with her. Reppin' me on Twitter, add another bitch to the litter. I'm a heavy fucking hitter. Call me the fat Mac Miller. Shit don't get realer. I'm about to pass it to a nigga that's a real spitter.
I'm a hitter and not a quitter. I just took shorty out this nigga's litter. This beat's kinda iller. Flow through my veins like a train going through the tunnel to Manhattan. I'm still rapping. Anybody fuck with me gets the clapping. Me and my niggas just smacking on this beat, which is fucking sweet. I'm gonna tweet to my peeps across the world. Can't you see? Don't fuck with me.
Woo!
That's Lil Grim.
Lil Grim, Lil Grim.
Lil Grim.
Big Chris, top notch bigs, holla at me.
And your boy, Be Young. It's a day.